In this video, we're going to show how to use leading coefficient test with your TI-84 plus calculator. And we're going to take a look at this graph here. So let's go plug this in. Okay, so I'm going to press my Y equals, press my clear out wherever's in that line. Then I'll do my X key and then caret 3 plus 18 X key and then the X squared plus 56x minus 192. And then press graph. And that would be our graph. Okay. Let me sketch that. So it's coming down here like that, and then coming down somewhere here, coming back, and that's our graph. Or is it? Let's take a look at the leading coefficient test. Can't spell, but okay, we'll just that's bad. I'll blame it on the earliness of the morning or creating too many videos. Coefficient. Let's see if that's even close. Now I've embarrassed myself by not being able to spell. Okay, EFC. Okay, that's right. Test. Now, leading coefficient test, all it takes a look at is your leading term. So we got f of x is equal to x to the third. So again, leading refers to your leading term. Don't care about the rest. That's assuming it's in standard form. So we're looking for a term with the largest power. Now it's got a coefficient that's here. Coefficient is whatever number's in front of your in front of the term, which in this case, our coefficient is positive. It's a positive 1. The degree is your largest power of x, which is your power here. So degree here is 3, and degree is odd. Okay. Now, I know you probably won't be able to read my writing, but we have two cases. Degree is even, and degree is odd. And then we have a positive coefficient. And I know those aren't appropriate abbreviations, but I'll go with them. And then we got a negative coefficient. So those are possibilities. Okay. Now, if we got a positive coefficient and degree is even, then it's up to the left, up to the right. If our degree is even, we got a negative coefficient, then it's down to the left, down to the right. If our degree is odd and we got a positive coefficient, that means it's down to the left, up to the right. And if our degree is odd and we got a negative coefficient, that means it's up to the left and down to the right, assuming you can actually read my writing. So that's what you got in your college algebra class. Well, how does that relate to the TI-3, TI-84 calculator? We said that this is our graph based upon what we saw from over here. But we've got a problem. We said the coefficient's positive, degree is odd. Degree is odd. Right here. Positive coefficient says it should be down to the left, up to the right. That doesn't look right. What that indicates to us is that there's more to the graph we're not seeing. So this is kind of the leading coefficient test will give you an indicator that you're not seeing the true picture of the graph, that you need to do something. Well, let's zoom out. We'll try zoom, and then I'll choose 3 for zoom out, and I'll press enter, and that'll zoom out by 1 factor. So what I was seeing was not true. I see it's going up here and then going down here and then coming up there. And now it is going down to the left, up to the right. So again, it's used as a tool with your TI-3, TI-84 calculators to tell did you get the true picture or not. Now there are some cases where maybe as your polynomial gets more complex, that it really can't tell you what your true picture is, because when you start zooming out too much, like if I press enter one more time, can you tell what's going on? Or even worse, if I do it one more time, you see nothing. So again, it's not a perfect aid, but it helps us with maybe some of the simpler polynomials. And to set your zoom back, you do zoom, and you choose 6 for Z standard. And that sets it back to your standard viewing window. Anyway, that's how to use a leading coefficient test to help you in graphing on TI-84 Plus calculator.